This tabletop heater is really great quality and it warms the space very well. It has 3 heating levels, low, medium, and high, and it also has a timer setting that you can set anywhere between 0 and 24 hours, so you can customize it to exactly what you need. It comes with a remote that you can use to operate it, which requires 2 AA batteries that are not included, so just keep that in mind. But you can also use the buttons on the actual heater, which are touchscreen, which I thought was a really nice touch. It also has this little USB port in the front that you can use to charge your phone or anything else you need to. It's safe to use in a home, but as you can see, my brother's been using it in his barn where he often has events and has people over, so it helps keep everyone nice and warm. It was very well packaged for shipping, and it does require a little bit of assembly, but it was super easy to do and it took me less than 10 minutes. It comes with a manual which will walk you through how to use it, instructions on how to put it together, and the screws that you'll need to assemble it. It's just 8 screws and this pipe that slides together into place to wrap around the cord. It's very well made, so I definitely can recommend it.